I have the dreaded click, click, click from the solenoid when trying to start the engine. So let's figure out what's going on over here. First, we're going to check whether we're getting the correct voltage and current at the solenoid before we get into the starter motor, which I've disconnected from the engine case. So the first thing I'm going to check is voltage. So I've set it to at least 20 volts. I've made sure the connections from the starter motor switch and the battery and the flash and the fuse are all working fine. So I've grounded the negative here, and I'm going to test the voltage on this terminal, and it's 14.55 volts, which is very good. So I know voltage is coming into the solenoid. I've now connected the positive to the starter motor itself. I've got the negative going to ground, and I'm going to click the starter motor button. I get 14.4 volts right going down to the starter motor, so that should be good. So the solenoid is passing voltage. I just want to make sure that it's also passing current, and the way I'm going to do that is put a screwdriver between the two terminals and try and jump it. I've put a screwdriver touching both the terminals to bypass the solenoid, and I'm going to see if it still doesn't start. Again, there's a click, which means I know there's current going through directly to the starter motor, and it's still not starting, which then tells me that the solenoid is fine. So the problem is somewhere inside the motor, right here.